Hello, everyone, and Halloween is just around the corner, aka a month away. So, I'm having a Halloween party. What are you doing on Halloween? I'm having a Halloween party. It's going to be really fun. Now, get out of here, pants. During a Halloween party, usually people dress up and wear makeup. So, today I thought, as I sat in my hot office, dying about to go downstairs to the unheat. I said, in this hot office, I have a lot of makeup. I should do a makeup tutorial. So that's what I'm doing today. What are you guys going to be for Halloween? I'm planning on being Jack Skellington. He's my favorite. Okay. Anyways, let's get on with the makeup. This intro's already a minute long. So, basically, I'm going to start with this. Stay Matte concealer. No, not concealer. It is concealer. I don't like to use some foundation. If you want to use foundation, good for you. Use it. Do it. I just find concealer better, honestly. If you're using concealer, like me, make sure you rub it in quickly, or else it'll dry and be hard to rub in. I'm so out in the sun today. I don't know why. But, so our school got a chance to sing with Colorado Rockies. So that's what I was doing today. Anyways, so then I'm going to go in with this shade. A little bit of this shade. I'm just going to go in with this shade and just under the eyes. Right there. Just under the eyes, kind of poof it up. And I'm also going to do it a little bit on the nose. Okay. Next up, we're going back to this. And what brush should I use? This one. I'm going to take this one, not this one. Because even on camera, you can see this one's way too pink. It's very strawberry. This one's very peachy. Go with a peach one. Because peach, it just isn't as dark. So you're just going to do a couple of circles. Then I like to just smile. Oh, perfect. Smile. Beautiful. Oh my god, that doesn't show on. And it shows a little bit. Whatever. Sorry, I'm getting over some sickness. So then we're going to go in for the eyeshadow. Now, I've been experiencing a lot of fallout, so I recommend taking Are we okay? Okay. I recommend taking a sock. I just have a normal sock. And for this eyeshadow look, we're going to go dark, spooky. So first you're going to start with your darkest color, which is going to be black for me. But you're going to start with your black. Beautiful. And just put it up. Just slightly up. You don't want too much black, because too much black is too much black. To the other side, where is that? There it is. Okay. Enough messing around with the black. We'll be here all day. So, in the black, after the black, I have this darker gray. I'm just this darker gray. I'm just gonna dip my brush into it. Now this is where the fallout starts. So you're gonna take your sock, you're gonna fold it up and just lay it right over your eye, and then dip in your powder. Just go at it. Go ham with it. Because you're going to want to layer it, like really get it on there. Okay? No exceptions. Perfect. So that's when the fallout really gets going. So there we go. Do it to the other side. Again, really just go ham, layer it on because it's really important. Okay. Next, I'm going to go in with this lighter with this lighter shade right here. Just gonna dip my brush. Dip my brush. Just get it. Make sure it's on the brush. There we go. I'm just gonna kind of put it at the bottom. Just kind of right there. It's okay if it covers up the first layer because that was just like a base. So this kind of shows through. Perfect. Beautiful makeup look. I need to put my hair back. Okay. Next we're going to go in with this nice shimmery shade. I'm going to make sure my brush is in it. Make sure. Get a nice generous amount on there. Come on, nice generous amount. And then just kind of dab it all over your eyes. There. Very nice. And then the finishing touch, some white. Just some normal, basic white. Can be added. Ooh, the shimmer. Next, I'm going to go in with some red lipstick. This would go up. You guys ever seen the people, like, on YouTube or something, where they'll, like, put a line of lipstick, go like this, and then just do that a bunch? I can do that. Like, it's actually pretty easy. Like, okay, ladies, go over to wherever your makeup is, grab it just like this, take it out, just draw a line like this, and then just do this. Literally, that's it. It's extremely easy. I don't know how it would be like. It would be hard with liquid lip liner. I mean, liquid lipstick. I can't speak. But, okay. We're next gonna go in back with, if you use foundation, you're gonna use concealer. If you use concealer, you're just gonna take your concealer again. I should probably not put that way. And you're just gonna under the eyes, through right here, through right there, boom, boom. I don't know what you use at home, but I'm using the same brush to just rub it in, honestly. Where's my highlighter? I forgot my highlighter. Let me just... Getting my highlighter. Should I use this one or this one? Well, this one's the only one I can find, so we're using this one. deal with it. So, what brush should I use? I'll use this one. So, I'm going to go in with this shade. Just going to put it in nicely. I'm going to do a nice highlight right there. Ooh, that's a nice look. Then we're going to go in again. Highlight. Beautiful. Hair on fleek. This is the final look. I absolutely love this look. It was made up from scratch. Total look. It goes with my outfit, which is a nice dark outfit. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it one of these. And go down there, click the subscribe button, and subscribe. Also, make sure to hit the bell so you get notified whenever I upload. If I upload. Yes. I've been doing a lot of stuff lately, so I haven't been able to upload. But I have been making so many cool videos, and I'm just going to upload them, and you're going to, well, watch them. They're so cool, and I hope you guys will really enjoy it. So, anyways, without further ado, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!